A little bit after Washington's stay home, stay healthy period began, a patient we'll call Joe came to the door. During COVID-19, we've been screening for the virus at the door, only allowing people in who are cleared, and testing for the virus on the spot for people with positive symptoms. Joe had a fever and a recent history of dry cough, pneumonia, and chills. We conducted a swab test for COVID-19 and sent him on his way. When the results came back saying he was positive, we tried to contact him. However, Joe is experiencing homelessness, making it much more challenging to contact him. We called a local shelter, he wasn't there. We looked around at a different shelter, he wasn't there. We worked with local shelter staff to track where he'd been staying, and they were given instructions if they found him. Finally, a local shelter staff made contact with Joe, and he was able to be transitioned to Tacoma's newly opened temporary care center for COVID-19, where he can be safely quarantined and recover from the virus. In the past few months, Neighborhood Clinic has been working hard to keep our doors open. We provide free medical services for those who lack access to health care. With unemployment skyrocketing, the numbers of folks losing health insurance is also rising. Many in our community are anxious about their jobs, the health of themselves and their loved ones, and the uncertain future. Every person who we treat for urgent care keeps them out of the emergency department. Every person who we treat for chronic care prevents it from getting worse and keeps them out of the emergency department in the future. We're supported by 150 volunteers, doctors, nurses, and other medical personnel who work in hospitals during the day. Donations pay for our staff, rent, utilities, medical supplies, and more. The cost of one patient visit is about $150. For folks like Joe, a visit with Neighborhood Clinic could be the difference between life and death. Join our amazing community in giving the gift of health by donating towards our goal of $15,000 in this campaign. Thank you in caring for our neighbors who need it most.